Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. If you guys watched my past video, then you guys know that one thing I've been going through lately is lack of sleep due to me watching my son like a creeper, because I've been really scared of him going back into a seizure. So what I'm going to make now is some bracelets that have a bell on it. That way, if that does happen, I can hear it. I don't know why I didn't think of this before. This was recommended to me. I'm trying to get her name, by Miss Michelle's Craft Connection. You guys, this was like the best idea that somebody ever could have, gave me. I didn't know why I didn't think of it myself. So I'm just going to do two different style bracelets. You guys, this is really, really simple. These little bells I got from Walmart. Now, I will say that the sound isn't very loud. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to open them up with these right here, and I'm going to place my own little glass beads on the inside so that I get a louder, a louder bell. But let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so what I had to end up doing is I end up opening like a bunch of these little bells over here, and I just pretty much took out the little metal pieces that was on the inside and just put a bunch of them inside of one, because when I did the glass beads, it didn't really make a sound against the metal. So that was also an issue. So I just used, what was already inside of them and just put a bunch down inside of one and then closed it back up. Which, as you can hear, that's a lot louder. So what I'm going to do is right here I have like these little split rings, like the little keychain things. I'm going to put probably 3 on each bracelet in the center to complete it, and then I'll be done. Alright, you guys, so that is pretty much it. This was very simple. This one reminds me of like a little cat collar. Very simple, effective. I will probably invest in some louder bells, but for right now, you guys, this will do. Like this is pretty good.
Mom?
Yes, son.
That was loud.
You said these are loud?
Yeah.
I know, that's the point, son.
Can I wear one?
If you want to wear one.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.